talent in both teams, and this has the makings of a classic encounter. Lunged in there and gave away a free kick. The referee has sent him off. Well, his manager is absolutely livid. I have to say that's a